I made $1.7 million on Amazon, and I never sold a single physical product. No inventory, no packaging peanuts, no late-night customer support calls. Just pure, delicious, digital income. And no, this isn't clickbait. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, how do you make money on Amazon without selling anything? That's where things get weird, in a good way. Most people think Amazon equals boxes, warehouses, and Jeff Bezos plotting to take over Mars. But there's a whole secret side of Amazon where you don't need a warehouse, a shipping label, or a forklift license. No capital? No problem. You can start with zero inventory and still build multiple income streams if you know where to look. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. We're talking about the platforms I used, the mistakes I made, the ridiculous designs I sold, and how I turned simple ideas into recurring cash flow. You'll learn how I went from side hustle experiments to 1.7 million just by leveraging what Amazon already gives away. And no, I'm not selling you a course at the end. I just wish someone had told me this stuff sooner. Smash that subscribe button if you're ready to escape the box-selling hamster wheel. Let's dive in. When people hear Amazon business, their brains immediately go to pallets of kitchen gadgets, garage-sized stockpiles, and label printers throwing tantrums. And hey, FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is real. It's just not the only game in town. The truth? Amazon is secretly one of the world's biggest platforms for digital creators. And I'm not just talking about Kindle authors and shady ebook hacks. I mean real opportunities to build scalable income without needing to touch a product, negotiate with suppliers, or pray your shipment doesn't sink in the Pacific. But here's where most people go wrong. They assume that if they're not importing air fryers or drop shipping neon dog collars, there's no way to make money on Amazon. Totally false. Amazon's ecosystem is massive, and it wants creators. It wants your designs. It wants your books. It wants your content. Because every time you upload something, even digitally, you're helping them make more money. And in return, you get a cut. Now, I didn't stumble onto this overnight. In fact, when I first started, I literally thought merch by Amazon was a band. But once I realized the potential of the digital side of Amazon, it completely changed the game. So before we get into the exact streams that made me $1.7 million, you need to delete the idea that Amazon is only for box shippers and Prime Day warriors. You don't need a product. You just need an idea and a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, let's start with the heavyweight, Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short. This was my very first taste of passive income from Amazon. I uploaded a book, walked away, and a few days later, boom, a sale. I thought it was a glitch. Spoiler, it wasn't. Now before you imagine me in a cabin writing the next Harry Potter, slow down. You don't need to be a novelist or even write 20,000 words. Some of my bestsellers were low-content books, journals, planners, logbooks, even dot grid notebooks. Yeah, people buy blank pages, a lot of them. Here's how it works. You design a book cover, upload a PDF interior, which can literally be a lined notebook, and set your price. Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. You just collect royalties. At one point, I was uploading a new design every day. Some were trash, others took off. One gratitude journal I made in under an hour ended up making over $15,000, all from sitting on my couch in pajama pants with YouTube playing in the background. Tips for beginners: niche down. Fitness journal for new moms, beats just notebook. Use free tools like Canva and BookBolt to design. Don't overthink it. Your ugly first book might surprise you, and yes, the competition is real, but KDP rewards consistency and creativity, not perfection. I didn't get rich overnight. But after a few months of experimenting, I had a portfolio of books that sold day and night, while I was asleep, eating tacos, or watching Netflix. It felt like cheating the system, but really, I was just using Amazon's own machine to feed me back tiny royalty checks, over and over again, and it added up, fast. After KDP, I stumbled into merch by Amazon, aka I can make money by uploading t-shirts. Here's how it works. You create a t-shirt design, upload it to Amazon, set your price, and when someone buys it, Amazon prints it, ships it, and handles everything. You just get paid. Sounds fake, right? That's what I thought. until one of my dumbest shirt ideas started selling like crazy. It said, "I paused my game to be here. Gamer shirts equals gold mine." What shocked me most? I didn't need to buy shirts. I didn't need to ship anything. I didn't even need to be good at design, just good at knowing what people want to wear and laugh at. My design style, let's call it meme chic. If you've ever looked at a shirt and thought, who the heck buys that? The answer might be a lot of people. One holiday season, I made over $20,000 off Christmas cat shirts. Cats and elf hats. That's it. Want to try it? Use free tools like Canva or Photoshop to make simple text designs. Think niches: teachers, nurses, dog moms, gym bros, sarcastic teenagers. Use Amazon's trend tools, or just eavesdrop on TikTok trends. Pro tip: upload every design in multiple formats: hoodies, tanks, even pop sockets. You'd be surprised what sells. Someone once bought 3 of the same introvert club shirts in different colors. I salute them. The beauty of merch is scalability. 1 good shirt can earn for years. 10 good shirts? You've got a monthly income. It's not about being an artist. It's about spotting viral vibes and slapping them on cotton. Let's switch gears and talk about the easiest Amazon stream to start: affiliate marketing and its newer, flashier cousin, the Amazon Influencer Program. Here's the deal. Every time someone clicks your special Amazon link and buys something, you get paid. Doesn't matter if they buy what you linked or a lawnmower 5 minutes later. If your link brought them in, you get the commission. When I first heard about this, I thought, wait, you're telling me I can get paid just for recommending stuff I already use? Yep. Welcome to capitalism's coziest side hustle. I started with blog posts and YouTube videos. What's in my office setup? Best gifts for lazy dads. Things that saved my sanity working from home. Then I dropped in my affiliate links. One video about my webcam setup, made over $4,000 in a month, just from people clicking and buying gear. But then came the Amazon Influencer Program. This took things to another level. You know those short video reviews on Amazon product pages? Those are created by influencers, like regular people, like you. I filmed 30-second reviews of stuff I already owned: headphones, a laptop stand, a fancy water bottle, and uploaded them. Now when shoppers see my video and click Add to Cart, I get a cut. Some days, I earn more from those random clips than actual YouTube videos. Tips if you're getting started: sign up at Amazon Associates first, then apply to the Influencer Program. Make content that solves problems. Top 5 kitchen gadgets for small apartments. Kills. Keep it honest. People don't want sales robots. They want you. This stream is perfect if you're already making content. But even if you're not, it's insanely beginner-friendly. You don't need an audience. You just need stuff, a phone, and opinions. So, let's recap. I made $1.7 million on Amazon, and I didn't touch a single box. No warehouses, no tape guns, no returns from people who ordered the wrong size. Instead, I used KDP to sell books I barely wrote, merch by Amazon to sell shirts I never printed, affiliate links and influencer videos to monetize products I already owned. That's the magic. I built digital real estate inside Amazon's ecosystem, and once it's live, it works for you while you sleep, snack, or scroll through memes at 2 a.m. If there's one thing you take away from this, let it be this: you don't need to invent something, hold inventory, or go viral. You just need to create small assets, and let Amazon's machine do the heavy lifting. It won't happen overnight, but it can happen consistently if you show up and keep testing. If you want to publish books on your Spotify account as long as 10 hours, click the link in the description box for more inquiries. If this video sparked even one new idea for you, do me a favor. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which stream you're going to try first. Because honestly, there's enough space at the table for all of us.